What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the risk calculator here on the Trade Locker platform. They came out with this not too long ago. It is absolutely amazing, and this is really going to help new traders understand how big of size they should take or should not take, and ultimately how much they want to risk to get in a trade. Now, with NAS 100 guys and US 30, these are basically big moves that happen each and every single day. You can make a lot of money with these, but ultimately you want to have a bigger account size to trade these. Now, yes, you could use a $300, $200, $500 account, but you're going to have to keep a very tight stop loss, and your risk is going to be very tight. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to use the risk calculator, and to basically do that, you're going to want to go down here in the right hand corner. Obviously the market's closed right now, but you're going to hit this little up arrow, and then this is your order box. Now it's expanded, and then it's obviously not expanded. In this case, if the market was open, we could choose to either buy or sell, market order, jump in the trade, but we want to always know how much we're risk, right? So this risk calculator is fantastic because if you click on it, it'll basically tell you, how much you want to risk. So let's say if I want to risk 200 bucks, okay? $200 is what I want to risk in the trade. But you ultimately have to know where you want to stop out at. You have to have some sort of area where you want to stop out at. And this is a good tool to tell you your lot sizes, right? Because people always get confused on how big of lots they could take. Now, obviously, the farther you extend $200, let's say you're looking to buy, and this perfect example here, this is a good chart example. Let's say we're looking to buy NAS 100 and we're looking for it to basically push up. We're looking to buy it because we're looking for it to basically hold the support. Because you could see that this one basically, right, if you follow this across the board, you can see at one point it came down, held this zone, pushed up, came down, broke the zone, and then basically pushed back up, became resistance, and then finally broke up again, and then she came down. She's basically holding this. She's basically looking to hold this zone. So in this case, say Monday rolls around, and we're looking to buy this, and then we're looking to basically have a squeeze over this resistance area. Okay, now we obviously need to know, we're obviously going to look to buy this one, right? So we're going to look to buy it, and ultimately we don't want to basically see it break this support area. So let's say you want to tell yourself, okay, well, I want to risk 200 bucks. I'm risking 200 bucks, and I'm looking for a nice strong push to the upside. So if I risk $200 exactly right here where it's at, my stop loss is 200 bucks. It's basically telling me, okay, so that's 0.33%, 0.28 lots. So I could basically take 0.28 lots, and if I put my take profit up here, that means I'm risking 200 bucks to make fucking $1,377. That's pretty fucking good, okay? But I'm risking 200 bucks. I feel like that's a kind of a tight stop loss considering the price is trading at 18,260 and then my stop loss is 18,253. Now in theory, let's say I want to drop my stop loss, you're going to see this. Watch this change. Right now it's 0.28 lots, but I still want to tell myself, hey, I want to risk $200. No matter what, I want to risk $200. $200. So 0.28 lots is what basically that's the max, that's the size I could take. If I click this and I drag this down to this support area, right? That means it drops it down to 0.14. Now, my lot sizes I should be taking, if I'm still convinced I should be risking 200 bucks, then I'd be taking 0.14 lots. And if we get a nice squeeze to the upside, that means my profit would be 688.94. So that is how you use the risk calculator. You could basically choose on how much you want to. So let's say if I drop this down to 100, that means I'm taking 0.07 lots. 0.07 lots with a profit of $344. Now, it would basically need to go from 18,260 to 18,309.80 to basically make $350. That's roughly 50 points. 50 points is easily done day in and day out with NAS 100 and US 30. As you can basically see, perfect example, this candle right here, this green candle, basically within a 15-minute window, basically moved 50 points. So it can be done day in and day out, but ultimately with every trade you take, you need to know how much you want to risk. And that is where this risk calculator will really help you guys excel in your trading career. So hopefully this video helps you understand how to use this tool, and this feature is very beautiful that TradeLocker has added this. These are perfect examples. This right here is a perfect example on how much better this TradeLocker platform is than MT4 was, or MT5, or any of these other trading platforms out there. This is the future of trading. Hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully this video helps and educates you guys in some shape, way, or form. Subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the very first link below if you guys want to sign up using the same broker as me, as in the future, TradeLocker will be launching a copy trading. So anybody that's signed up underneath my name will have the option to copy and replicate my trades to a T. Thanks again, team. Have a wonderful weekend and subscribe to the channel. Cheers.